Hello everyone, in this session we will see transformation features in Catia. First of all, we will see how to take reference elements in Catia. See, there are different types of planes for taking external plane. First is offset from plane. In this, you have to choose a reference plane. Okay, see, you can give here the offset distance. Okay, this reference plane is get created. Next type is parallel through point. Okay, I will click this as a reference and this line as a second line. See here the parallel to line, the plane is get created. Okay, next one is normal to plane, reference plane. Next is normal to curve. At this point, see. Okay, next point is tangent to surface. See. Okay, like this you can take reference planes. Likewise, you can take reference points also. Here you can see coordinate, point type coordinate. Here you have to give here the value of x coordinate, y coordinate and z coordinate. Okay. See here the point is get located. Likewise, you can on curve, on plane, on surface, you can take points. Okay. Axis line type. Line type also same as point. Okay. Now we will see transformation features. Here first is a translation. Direction and distance. You have to give the distance. See, from here to here it get translated. Next one is rotation. Axis and degree of rotation, angle of rotation. See, it will get rotated as like this. Next is symmetry. See, mirror. Mirroring element. About this plane. See how it gets mirrored. Here you can see scaling. and ratio I will give as 2. See, thickness of our object is get increased. Next is affinity. Here you have to give the ratio.